potentially catastrophic storm, Hurricane Katrina. Wind gusts of about 185 miles per hour and winds of up to 150 miles.
미국 역사상 최악의 재난을 불러온 허리케인 카트리나.
Major hurricane barreling toward the Gulf Coast.
We are watching a Category 5 hurricane, Hurricane Katrina.
Right now, we are criticizing leaving the city.
The dangers this hurricane poses to Gulf Coast community.
이 이야기는 2005년에 일어난 실제 상황입니다.
City of New Orleans.
New Orleans underwater.
This is the storm some have long feared.
카트리나가 지나간 이후 폐허처럼 변해버린 메모리얼 병원에서 45구의 시신이 발견되고
Why don't you go back to the beginning for us, Doctor?
If I understand, Doctor, there were two hospitals in that building.
There was Memorial Hospital, where I worked, and Life Care, which was a long-term care facility on the 7th floor. There were 5 days after the storm, the most ungodly condition.
Doctor, how did those 45 people die?
현장에 있었던 발치 박사는 힘겹게 그날의 일을 떠올립니다.
Emergency room. This isn't a petting zoo.
These people are members of our community.
We take care of pets in the basement.
Well?
Which is what the rules state.
Is anybody in charge of all these people?
You know, you don't have to be here. We got plenty of staff.
You know, I've got some post-surgery patients to look after. Vince can take care of the house. I want to be here.
환자에 대한 책임감 때문에 병원으로 돌아온 애나.
What's that?
Can opener. If it comes to worse, I figure we'll be here 3 days at the most.
It's like camping. Proofy!
Thought you had to keep the pets downstairs.
Doctors ought to be able to bend the rules in their own hospital.
Doctors should set an example.
Oh, fine. Mommy doesn't want you here.
건물 7층엔 또 다른 병원인 라이프 케어가 운영되고 있었고
Did you come over from Life Care Chalmette? How many patients you bring with you?
19.
피해 지역에서 온 환자들과 1,000명이 넘는 시민들까지 병원으로 대피해 있었는데요.
For those of y'all who don't know me, I'm Susan Molderick, and I'm the incident commander for this storm. And until this passes, we're going to be operating with special protocols.
Have we talked to someone from Life Care?
They should have their own emergency plan, and they're, you know, they're top dollar, so if it comes to it, we'll probably be going to them for favors. I have been at this hospital long enough to know that most of these storms, they just blow on over.
여느 때와 다름없을 거라 생각했지만 태풍은 더 거세졌죠.
Lines are already coming down.
We will be doing a mandatory evacuation.
Mark, your mom's in the city. What do we do?
Potentially catastrophic storm, Hurricane Katrina. The U.S. National Hurricane Center says the Katrina that is about 60 miles south of New Orleans.
Jill with you.
Oh, Jill, yes.
Now listen, if anything happens, do what the doctor tells you.
I can't hear you, dear. Mark?
전화가 끊겨버리고 건물에 물이 새기 시작하는데
Diane? Got a problem.
Molderick.
This is Diane Robichaud. We have water leaking through the ceiling.
I just got a call from someone up at Life Care. They're saying that there's water coming through the ceiling. Any other problems?
The only thing to worry about, worst case, is flood.
Okay. If there were severe flooding, I mean, what
We'd
would
have to
we
evacuate.
do? Evacuate?
위기 대응 매뉴얼을 꺼낸 수잔. 침수 상황에서의 대피 절차는 어디에도 없었죠.
I'm not having a very good feeling about any of this.
And it pushes a lake or river over a levee. Hospital sits 3 feet below sea level. It's not going to take much to flood the basement, maybe even the first floor. If the levees were to breach, city power goes.
If the levees breach, if we lose power.
We're going to lose the backup generators, and we're going to lose all power in the hospital.
When you say flooding, how much standing water are we talking about? 8 feet? 10 feet?
Take about 4 feet to put us out of business. And there's already a foot of water, more than a foot out there right now.
What does the emergency manual say?
There is no plan for evacuating the hospital if it's flooded. If the basement floods, we lose all the food, the fresh water, all our supplies. Look, 4 feet of water, and we have got problems.
2,000명이 넘는 사람들이 고립된 상황에서
It is still expected to be a formidable menace.
허리케인의 위협이 시작됩니다.
You okay?
Susan, the walkway's shaking badly. I don't think it's gonna hold up.
You need to evacuate.
You gotta get out of there. You'll be cut off from everything. Get everyone off the unit. Everybody across the walkway.
Eric, the storm's surging. The water's at 3 feet. Come on, hurry! You two,
Wait,
let's go.
Is everyone off the east side?
I don't know. Everybody, you can't even move off the floor. It's Karen. I'm in ICU. The windows are breaking and the floors are filling up with water.
Well, do what you can, but you gotta hold on up there.
We got water coming into the basement.
We gotta get everything out of the basement. Food, supplies, everything.
That'll take hours.
We've got 200 doctors and staff. Get them working.
Go ahead and grab your things. Go on upstairs, just 1 floor. Easy going. We gotta keep it moving.
Close your eyes.
모두가 공포에 떨었던 밤이 지나가고
God help us.
Pictures of New Orleans show the city battered and buffered.
This was not the apocalyptic hurricane that so many had feared.
위기는 이제 끝났다 생각했는데요.
Most of the hurricane, the worst of the hurricane, missed the city, and we were alive. Middle of the night, windows shattering, power goes out. Then the next day, generators had kicked in, the sky had cleared up.
How was Dr. Poe the second day?
Dr. Poe could have left the hospital. She stayed because she wanted to stay. She wanted to be there for her patients. After we survived the hurricane, we thought that we could survive anything. And we were wrong. Lord, were we wrong. There was flooding in the basement, but the water's getting pumped out, and we had some windows blown in. But just be mindful of broken glass. But other than that, the building held up.
인명피해가 없었던 걸 축하했지만 전화와 전기가 끊겨 고립된 상황이었고
They sending anybody up here?
Is who's sending anybody? Life care, we're just on our own. Hell, nobody even came up from Memorial to check on us last night.
This is Carrie Sal. I'll call you back as soon as I can.
Been trying to call my wife. Can't get a hold of her.
I'm gonna call Carrie personally and let her know the minute we leave here. You'll be good.
Okay, here we go. How's that feel? Good? I'll give you some more, okay?
Angela, y'all doing okay?
We're all right. They gonna do something about the air conditioner?
City power's out. Keep giving her water. I know your mom's uncomfortable, but she's a fighter.
Thanks, Diane.
Yeah.
They tell you what's going on?
All they're saying is that the city's power's out, so there's no air.
Well, did they say anything about when they have the rest of the power back on?
Not yet.
I'll call you as soon as we get an update.
All right. You take care then.
All right.
Hey,
The dock's wrecked. How's your mom?
Jill says the hospital's on generators. There's no air conditioner.
But your mom's okay. Your mom is all right. She's got Jill with her.
정상적인 운영이 어려운 병원으로 환자들은 계속 몰려드는데
Female, late 50s, penetrating chest wound, labored respirations.
No radios. BP's crashing.
Is she all right in here?
They're gonna take very good care of her. Now you come with me, all right? Come on.
Now that it's over, has anyone talked about lowering the head count in the building?
They may not have anywhere to go. Just because we didn't take a lot of damage doesn't mean
until we get a better sense of what's going on outside, let's perhaps just keep the concept of mandatory discharge out of public use.
Okay.
Doctor, are you all making us leave? He's still in pain.
No one is going to be forcibly discharged.
고립된 사람들은 불안해하고 있었고 라디오에선 흉흉한 소식까지 들려옵니다.
careful out there. Saw some kids eyeing one of the nurses when she was out with a dog.
Y'all be careful if you go outside. One of the nurses was getting harassed by some kids.
Apparently, there was a nurse got attacked by a bunch of kids while she was outside.
She got attacked, raped.
Who was assaulted?
A nurse.
But who?
I don't have a name.
Who is
And if
Karen?
our people aren't safe at our hospital, then we've got some serious problems.
이야기의 진상을 알아보는 수잔.
We haven't heard anything about it.
That's not coming from you then.
근거 없는 소문은 사람들을 더 불안하게 만들었죠.
Hey, it's Vince. Anna and I can't cover the phone. Leave us a message.
When you get this message, just call, okay?
Jesus. Starting already.
You know, I heard a couple of nurses got gang raped.
Hey, where'd you get the stuff?
We ain't no thieves. You stole it. Got diapers from my little sister, got some food from my mom's. Now, when my mom's supposed to get this stuff when y'all kick us to the curb? Y'all fixing to put us out of here.
Who's putting you out?
You know. They're gonna put us out first.
We are not going to dump people. But as soon as we can, we will consider discharging patients.
And when you start talking about putting people out, a lot of folks in this community, they take that how it sounds.
Dr. King, I'm getting it from all sides. We don't have city power. We are running low on medicine.
여러 가지 문제가 터지는 상황에서 수위는 좀처럼 내려가지 않았고
Still at 18 inches. It hasn't moved at all?
It's coming up on the porch. We never had no flood back. The car is underwater completely.
Did you hear this flooding? Flooding?
Well, that's what they're saying on the radio.
Oh, please, Mom. Everybody's spreading rumors, afraid of things that aren't there.
정확한 소식은 확인하지 못한 채 밤이 찾아오는데요.
I miss you so much. My love is always right there with you.
I love you too.
3일째 되던 날
Makes sense.
So what do you want me to say? I can't leave.
I'm gonna check on the house. I'm gonna pick up some food. I'm gonna come back.
애나의 남편이 떠난 이후 허리케인보다 더 충격적인 소식이 전해집니다.
Hey, which one of you is in charge? We got some levees breached. Y'all got about 15 feet of water coming. You don't have a lot of time.
Storm surge from the hurricane caused the 17th Street Canal levee to collapse on the Orleans side.
Water's been pouring into the city since yesterday?
Where are you getting this information from?
It is a goddamn mess out there. No one is in charge. Nobody knows what they're doing. Activate your evac plan, put it to work.
We don't have a plan for evacuating during a flood.
We have people stationed here. We'll do what we can, but you need to get something going.
4 feet puts the electrical switches under, then we lose what's left of our power.
도시가 마비된 상황에서
Eric, go get some spotters outside. I need to know when the water's coming, how fast, how high. I need a head count.
대피할 방법을 찾아야 하는데
There's two left. I need to know every soul that's in this hospital. Jesus, God help me.
Where's your husband?
Vince left. He went to check on our house.
You need to go get him. Look outside.
Hey, it's Vince. Anna and I can't cover the phone. Leave us a message.
Vince, pick up the phone.
All this water started pouring into the city, and there was no way to stop it.
How is Dr. Potter in all this?
The same as everybody. The circumstances reveal who you really are.
What stands out to you the most?
I guess what stands out to me is that it was just 5 days. It only took 5 days for everything to fall apart.
Okay, that'll get some air in here. Maybe a couple of others. And the city pumps aren't working. Water is coming, and it's gonna keep coming. We have to evacuate, and we have to start moving now.
Evacuate to where? There's looting going on outside.
When the water gets to 4 feet, it's going to flood the electrical switches, and they're going to shut down. Worst case, we got 4 hours.
How do we get the patients out?
지금 당장 도움받을 곳은 없었고
When was the last time anyone used the landing pad?
Was when the Pope was here.
The Pope was here in 1987.
The garage elevators aren't wired into the backup electricity system. They're not working.
Do any of y'all have an engineering background, any kind of engineering? Anybody?
Yep.
I need you to decide whether it is stable or not. We will find a way to get the patients to the pad. We'll figure something out.
사람들을 어떻게 대피시켜야 할지 막막한 상황에서
We're gonna have to evacuate.
Evacuate the floor.
The whole hospital.
Evacuate when?
Now.
They're evacuating the hospital.
Who's evacuating?
Memorial. I heard they're getting everybody out. How are we supposed to get our patients out? Who is in charge? Diane?
Stay with your mom.
What's going on?
Just stay with your mother, okay?
의사들이 모두 퇴근한 라이프 케어엔 상황을 지휘할 사람조차 없었는데요.
We can't contact anyone. We don't even have any of our doctors up there.
You just get me a list and we'll do what we can, but right now we can't even help ourselves.
메모리얼 병원 본사 역시 대책을 마련해주지 않았습니다.
That we have about 4 hours left before we lose power and we need help. I'm trying. Let me know when you hear anything, okay?
New Orleans avoided a direct. The Katrina stuff in Louisiana. I mean, something like that good for business? Look, after something like this, you get more patient traffic, right?
다른 지역에서 영업을 하고 있는 메모리얼 본사 테니스의 직원 마이클.
I had a client ask if something like this was good for business.
Seriously? Fucked up thing to ask.
I know, right?
그는 구조 요청 메일을 받게 되는데
What should we do?
Do? Like?
I mean, is there any kind of emergency procedure or anything?
Just forward the email to somebody.
These emails are going wide. No one's responding.
I don't know what to tell you.
I wouldn't know about any emergency plans. Isn't there somebody in Louisiana?
혼자 백방으로 연락을 돌려보지만
And I,
Mr. Portis is on vacation. I can take a message?
well, I was wondering, do you have any contacts at the National Guard? Anybody I might be able to reach out?
No, I don't.
다들 시큰둥한 반응이었고 마이클은 그들을 외면하지 않았죠.
Yeah, I'm trying to get some kind of number for the Louisiana National Guard or the Coast Guard.
지하의 침수를 막기 위해 안간힘을 쓰는 동안
How are we supposed to get 200 patients up here this way?
위태로운 헬기장으로 올라가는데
Jesus. Anything? It's corrosion. It's everywhere, all the metal. Before we start landing any helicopters up here, better make goddamn sure this thing can take the weight.
I need some kind of saw. A steel cutter.
I can evac one person. One, hurry!
There are almost 200 patients we have to evacuate. We need to discuss who's going first and who's going last. The ones who are most dependent on life support or mechanical aid should go out first. Same with the neonates, those on ventilators, they're not going to survive. Then the civilians and families, then staff, and last doctors. Can we agree on that?
There's a helicopter.
Is it from Tenet? How many did they send?
Just listen to me. He says he can take one patient, but we have to hurry.
What, one?
The neonates. Take one of the neonates.
There's a helicopter. The sickest baby, bring it.
Take baby Edmonds. Okay. Let's go. Here we go. Wait. We gotta give oxygen. Give me a second. Good.
All right, ready?
Hey, what the fuck were you doing? That took too long!
Elevator's not working!
Figure something out! Now move back!
신생아와 간호사를 겨우 태운 헬기는 돌아오지 않는다는 말을 남긴 채 떠나버리고
Sandra, the helipad's operational. Let Lieutenant know we can take helicopters. Yes. Copy. Karen, the helipad's operational. Get your patients ready to move. We're sending the neonates first and everybody in the ICU.
Got it.
Hold on one second. I just heard from Memorial. They can take helicopters.
The company's saying it needs to be Coast Guard, National Guard. I already been in touch with them. They know the situation. This is flooding. This is rescue. Okay? It's the military.
마이클은 더 이상 도움을 줄 수 없었는데요.
Slow down, conserve it, okay? And save some for yourself, because when you get dehydrated, you can't help anybody. Here we go. So where are you taking them?
Texas.
That's the closest hospital?
That's what we're told. That's where we're going.
That's only 20 patients. You were supposed to take 35.
That's all the room we've got.
Okay, so when is the next truck coming?
As soon as it can.
You should go. No, you go.
It's all right.
Next one is coming.
구조되는 사람은 소수에 불과했고 고생 끝에 헬기장에 도착하지만
Where the fuck are the helicopters? Tell somebody there are no helicopters.
There are no helicopters.
Sandra, where are the helicopters? The baby's on the pad.
답을 할 수 없었던 마이클.
Do we need to consider as we're prioritizing patients? I think the DNR should go last.
Why? A DNR doesn't mean don't save a person. A DNR means if a person codes, you don't revive them.
And what we're talking about is a last resort contingency. If you could get 4 healthy patients out versus 4 who are terminal, wouldn't...
I think we should bring Susan in on this conversation. She's the one in charge, right?
불안한 상황에서 사람들은 예민해지고
She's my patient. Reattach her monitor.
I should check with Dr. Cook.
You know what? Fuck that. Nurse, I said that all non-essential care was suspended. This woman isn't non-essential. She needs to be continuously monitored. I'm not going to be dictated to by some junior physician.
Water keeps rising here at an alarming rate. Cannot patch that break in the levee. That by the end of today, all of downtown New Orleans, even the parts that are above sea level, could be completely underwater.
집에 있는 보호자들 속은 타들어가는데
There's water coming in. It's filling up the parking lot.
I figure they got to be setting up checkpoints around the city, letting people out, but not letting people in.
Yeah, but if we do all this and they've already got your mom out, then...
Well, what if they haven't? Look, one way or the other, it's better to get there than just stay here praying for a call that's never going to come.
We should find a fire station. The city's going to be calling in emergency personnel, and if they are, maybe we can tag with them and work our way in. We'll get your mom. However we have to, we'll get her.
탈출 행렬을 지나 도시로 들어간 두 사람은 구조대들이 모여 있는 곳에 도착합니다.
If y'all heading into New Orleans, we'd like to do what we can.
We're not taking civvies.
No, we're not civvies. I'm a paramedic.
Get logged in.
When are y'all going to move out?
Don't know.
What are you waiting for?
Somebody to figure out what to do with us.
그 시각 병원에선
We can't hold back the water. It's gonna flood our panels.
You said we had 4 hours.
I said best case we got 4 hours. We got minutes.
지하층이 잠겨 전기가 끊겨버리는데
Where we're taking these battles? Let's get out of here. It's too fucking dangerous.
We can't run the ventilators without power.
Tonight, darkness, of course, had fallen, and you can hear people yelling for help. All of them stranded, all of them hoping someone will come. But for tonight, they've had to suspend the rescue effort.
The violence, the looting, the snipers, it's a very dangerous... Floodwaters rise, chaos reigns as a city falls into crisis.
구조는 모두 중단되고
Start letting everybody in your unit know that there aren't any more National Guard trucks coming. Water's already too high, and they're pulling the rest of their people out.
What about our people?
Corporate is doing everything they can.
사람들의 불안함은 커져갔죠.
There's nothing more precious in life, you know?
I know.
Now don't go getting down on me. You get sad, and I get sad. Both of us got plenty to live for. Let's just leave it at that.
We have very little food, very little water. What we're really concerned about is most of these ventilators are being run by batteries, and when we don't have batteries...
As the city spirals out of control, there appears to be anarchy. Reports of
Nothing from anybody? No marching orders? Forget this. Give me the location of the closest Sarbu. We're not sitting around anymore.
Got it.
About goddamn time.
Come on.
Where are we going?
I don't know, but we're moving.
구조대가 출발한 그 시각
Diana, patient's coding. Go down to Memorial, tell them we got a patient coding and we need a doctor. I'll get a crash cart. Dr. Pope. Cool Blue 17. I'll go.
죽어가던 환자를 보러 간 애나.
Shock delivered. All clear?
Clear. How long has he been coding?
10 minutes.
Oh.
Flatline. Nothing. Intubated, starting airflow. Okay, got no blood pressure. Okay.
We have a heartbeat. Stop compression. Time of death, 10:15.
That's how it all began. Us, in the dark, cut off, no power. It doesn't take much for everything to break down. And what happened next, we couldn't stop. I couldn't stop it.
You couldn't stop people from dying, or you couldn't stop them from being killed.
And what nature isn't ravaging, looters
In the
are.
flooded streets, wholesale rioting and looting eruptions have become so chaotic that New Orleans police have found themselves under
The government hasn't sent us anything. Well, I fully understand people wanting things to have happened yesterday.
The state was doing, I don't freaking know.
Where's people? Where's the men? Who's in charge here?
You guys are.
고립된 지 4일째.
By the fourth day, the water had settled to the level of the emergency ramp at the hospital. We'd lost all power in the building. The patients, they started dying, and there was nothing we could do to help them.
There were 45 bodies found at the hospital. Were any of those patients murdered?
All I can tell you is that there was an organized effort to reduce the level of misery the patients had to endure. In those last days of Memorial, all there was misery.
Richard, you got anything?
Nothing. None of the helicopters are landing here.
오지 않는 구조대를 기다리는 동안 환자들의 상태는 악화되고
She went non-communicative. She won't take water.
Yeah, that's heat stroke.
She's in pain.
Get her a damp towel. Keep
You're just gonna let her suffer?
Anna.
고통을 덜어주기 위해 강한 진통제를 처방하는 애나.
Anna.
I'm not letting her suffer. Okay, she's comfortable for now. Until we can get her out of here.
Anna, some of the staff, they've been going to their cars, turning on the air conditioning, listening to a little music.
Morris, I'm okay.
Hey, it's Vince. Anna and I can't come to the phone. Leave us a message.
But I want you to know that I'm okay. Like, nobody's in charge. Not at the hospital, nobody at the city or the state. I mean, people are dying. I just watched a patient die. I mean, he was suffering so much, and we couldn't help him. Vince, my battery's almost gone. So I'm gonna turn my phone off.
감당하기 힘든 상황에서 점점 지쳐가는데.
What's going on?
He's stealing water.
I am not stealing any
What the
water.
fuck is all
Are
that?
you assigned to this unit?
No.
Then get off.
불안감이 극에 달한 그때 헬기가 도착합니다.
We've got one. We've got a helicopter. Start sending up patients.
Jesus, thank you, God.
We have a helicopter. You need to start staging your patients now.
We're taking the patients to the helipad. Come on, let's go.
Karen, the elevators aren't working.
Everybody who is able-bodied, please come over here. Okay, we are gonna carry the patients all the way down to the helipad, just like this. Okay, everybody careful. Okay. Watch your feet.
Yeah.
Let me know when you need to rest. Okay, watch your feet. Another corner.
고생 끝에 1층으로 내려오지만
And it's a trek to get up to the helipad. About 40 minutes.
For every patient in this heat.
한 사람을 옮기는데도 엄청난 시간이 걸리는데요.
Quit arguing, okay? They know they're toxic. You're just slowing them down.
Hey! I'm in charge.
Oh, yeah? I was in the Air Force. A captain.
What do you want me to do?
Get these people downstairs and get the patients ready to go.
The opening's not real big, but it goes directly from the building to the parking garage. If we can cut about 15, maybe 20 minutes off the trip up that helipad.
Find Karen, show her the way.
Okay, that's in. All right, let's go.
Is he gonna be able to fit through that opening in that garage?
I don't think so.
There's another patient in life care, morbidly obese.
But we can't slow everything down trying. They're gonna have to go last, both of them.
한편 환자 목록을 뽑아온 다이앤.
It's 53 altogether. We lost. Excuse me, the list. What are you going to do with it?
And we will let you know what we find out.
What is there to find out?
We were waiting for National Guard trucks that didn't come. We were waiting for helicopters that haven't arrived. We will work your patients into our rotation as best we can. Now, what you should do is go back and be with your patients.
책임자도 없는 데다 본사와 연락이 끊긴 라이프케어는 메모리얼에 의지할 수밖에 없었지만
I'm being told that the Coast Guard helicopters are not going to evacuate those patients from that other hospital from Life Care.
It's 53 people.
All I know is the Coast Guard choppers are for memorial patients.
What did they tell you?
Something about they radioed the Coast Guard. They can't take any of our patients.
You're not helping our patients. Those are Coast Guard helicopters. Your corporation doesn't own the Coast Guard. Why aren't we being evacuated with everybody?
If I could get an answer, I'd give one. I can't.
You're getting your people out. You're leaving us to die?
다이앤은 이 상황이 절망스러웠죠.
People see the helicopters taking off from the pad. They think we can help get them to safety.
And they're coming to us.
We're in full evacuation mode.
So what are we supposed to do? We supposed to shoot people? Is that what we're talking about?
We're talking about doing what's necessary.
They shot him. We're the ones drowning in this, and they're shooting us? That's all we are to them. We're not people. We're not humans. We're dogs, and they are killing us.
밀려드는 사람들과 무서운 소문 때문에 사람들은 더 예민해지는데.
Hey, what are you doing? Why aren't you helping them?
Help us, man. You gotta help. Take the children, please.
Stay back.
Come on, man.
Charles, think about this, but come on.
Stay back.
You're gonna shoot him? You're gonna shoot his kids? What the fuck were you doing?
What I was told.
지나가던 대통령 때문에 구조 작업이 중단되고
He's not even gonna land. He's not gonna do anything.
드디어 보건부에서 찾아옵니다.
You need to reorient your evacuation. Well, right now you're prioritizing your sickest patients.
They need the most help.
They're the least ambulatory. It's taken too long to move them. Patients who can get out, who have the capacity to get out, those are the ones you should be moving first. You all have triage armbands. Patients who are well enough to move by themselves, give them green bands. Patients who need assistance, yellow bands. Those who are completely dependent on care, red bands.
And the black bands?
Anybody you think can't be saved.
That's how we're gonna decide who lives and who dies, by colored armbands. Who are you with again? People are saying things, he's saying things, the National Guard is saying things, but we don't know who's in charge.
You want to know who's in charge? Nobody. So you all need to figure out how you're going to help yourselves. Now, we're going to start getting boats in here as soon as we can. Probably not until the morning.
What happened? Everybody okay?
I couldn't see where I was going. I almost fell off the side.
People are exhausted. They need to rest.
You want to stop?
There aren't any more trucks coming. The guy from the health department, he said he's not going to have any boats until tomorrow morning. We keep at it, somebody's going to get killed. And trying to keep this up all night with an exhausted staff, does that help them or hurt them? Look, I'm only talking about a few hours. Just until sunup.
It is too dangerous to try to get patients up to the helipad in the dark. So we are suspending the effort for the night. When it gets light out, they have promised us boats tomorrow. Y'all get some rest and see you back here at sunrise. Y'all get some rest.
몇 시간 후
What do we do with Rolfie?
Just a bag, one bag. That's it.
Everybody out, the boats are here.
We got to go.
사람들은 1층으로 모이는데
Well, where are the boats?
I don't know.
There aren't any boats.
They said they were going to send boats.
There aren't any boats.
이 소동은 누군가의 거짓말이었고
We were just gonna leave him.
Huey, are all your things here? Some of the staff, their things are gone. Somebody took them.
Took them when?
When we were downstairs. waiting for boats that weren't there.
사람들은 불안감에 휩싸였죠.
Christ, these for real? These are our patients, our families. We need to protect them.
You see what's happening? You know what they're doing. Folks, everybody coming to us for help, and all they're doing is pushing people away. They're scared. They got guns and they're scared of us.
This isn't about us.
They're shooting us, Karen.
People in here are dying, and you want to bring more into the hospital? If you really cared about us, you wouldn't let anyone up into this place.
We're running out of food and water, and there's no medicine. The patients are moaning and crying. There's sewage everywhere. You can smell waste and feces, and the people are dying. We can't take it much longer. You need to help us. Mark, your mother needs help.
Did you hear her? They need help.
Memorial Hospital's categorized as a secondary priority.
People are just standing around here. Nobody's doing a goddamn thing, and you won't let us help. Do something.
You need to get off this line. Get off this line now.
None of y'all gonna do anything? You're not even gonna try?
Mark?
We could try to get the hospital on foot.
Hey.
We get someplace to launch? Find the hospital? I know exactly where it is. Seems just like we'll head out.
No, we can go now. Mark can find it with landmarks.
No. Snipers all around the city shooting at anything that moves.
환자와 의료진은 끔찍한 환경에서 지쳐가는데
Oh, Jesus, he's burning up. It's got to be 105 in here. You should be getting some rest.
I could say the same to you.
Anna, you need rest.
Look at this. This is something that happens in a third world country, not here. How do people let this happen here?
고립된 지 5일째.
So you can only imagine what it's like inside the hospital rooms where there's been no power and in many cases no food and no supplies.
They're running out of food. One of the nurses walked outside to get a breath of fresh air. She was held up at gunpoint, so it is not safe.
And the people inside the city of New Orleans are asking repeatedly today, the people in Washington, are you watching? Are you listening?
Please, man, live!
As you know, the Bush administration has been coming under increased fire from local officials in New Orleans and all across the nation.
I think I might have found some helicopters that can evacuate the patients.
Send them.
We got to get corporate approval. They're not air
Get the
ambulance.
approvals, just send them.
날이 밝았지만 구조대는 오지 않았고
There's nothing. There's no helicopters. We never should have stopped the evacuation.
Jesus Christ! We're in the middle of a city! We can't communicate with anybody?
I tried. Everybody tried.
Sandra, I know.
I know you tried. I know. I'm sorry.
Some of the staff have been asking. They're worried about their pets.
People are dying, and they are worried about their
They're worried
pets.
about what's going to happen to the animals. And they're thinking maybe they should do the humane thing.
I'll speak to Dr. Cook. I think he knows how to do that. You know, I think that we have to consider patients that we can't evacuate, making sure that they don't suffer either.
We're all gonna die. We're gonna die. Just calm down. You shut your eyes and rest.
죽음이라는 공포감이 밀려오는데
How you doing, Rob?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
I get to go last, right? I used to be a nurse. I used to work at this hospital. I know how these things go. I hear there's someone else like me here. Another big guy up in life care. We probably both gonna go last, as long as we don't get left behind.
Excuse me. My mother's burning up.
There's nothing we can do. There is no ice. There is no water. There's nothing we can do.
환자들의 속은 타들어갔지만
I'm right here, Mom. I'm not going anywhere.
더 이상 해줄 수 있는 게 아무것도 없었죠.
How y'all doing?
We lost a few more patients this morning. Running low on water, rubbing alcohol, clean linens.
But I will see what I can find for you. There are a lot of conversations going around, a lot of talk. But the plan is to leave no living patients behind.
Yeah, of course, we're not going to leave anyone.
Okay.
Thank you.
한편 마크는 드디어 병원에 도착하는데
Hold steady. Push back.
Find your mom.
Can you take patients?
A few.
I'm going to get somebody. I'm coming out hot. I need these boats ready to go.
But when you leave, take me with you.
Here, help me.
You got her.
Sit down. Take a seat. Take a seat.
Let's go.
What's up?
Charles! You are a coward, Charles!
구조되지 못할 거란 생각이 극에 달할 무렵
Everybody feels abandoned. Well, I guess they're leaving patients to themselves. Come on, we can't just do nothing. So start walking the line. One end of the corridor to the other. Check patients' BPs, their blood sugars. If they need to be given medication, get them.
We were told to suspend care.
They're still our patients. So we're gonna do what we can. Best we can.
킹 박사는 마지막까지 의욕을 불태우고
Brother man, how you doing?
Am I gonna make it out?
We're gonna get you out like everybody else, okay?
자포자기한 사람들은 최후의 수단을 준비하고 있었죠.
Some of the staff have asked what's the most humane thing to do with their pets.
An injection of pentothal.
Do you think that's the right thing to do?
Most humane thing to do is to put them down. Give them a little push.
How's he doing? Holding up. Did I kill him? Even if we can't get out of here, they're not gonna let us take Pat. I just can't leave him.
All right. Now you orient the needle as close to the heart as possible.
Will it hurt?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Never mind.
고통스러운 이별을 하던 그때 테닛이 보낸 헬기가 도착합니다.
Helicopters! We got helicopters!
Karen's moving patients. We've got to keep things orderly. As was decided, patients with black wristbands, with DNRs, they need to be set aside. They go last, understand?
Yeah. Diane, the helicopters are back. Did you clear this one?
I'm not clearing anything with them. We're moving our patients. Get the most critical out first. Everybody! Emmett, it's getting to be time to move patients. I need you to hang on.
라이프 케어 간호사들은 환자들을 보내려 노력하지만
No, we're not moving those patients yet.
Those patients, what does that mean?
Patients with black arm bands.
메모리얼 방침에 따를 수밖에 없었고
Here we go. You sit up. There you go. Hey, you stay with me. There you go. That's it. That's it. Help. I need some help. What's happening? Labor breathing, but I can't. Okay, I got it. They won't let us transport our patients. Nobody cares.
It's okay. I'll stay with her.
그들의 노력에도 환자들은 계속 죽어나갔죠.
She's passed. Can you? I'll have someone take care of her.
Have you heard from anybody? The police, the National Guard, is there any plan to get the patients out of here?
A plan? No. People keep telling us things, but I've stopped believing.
I just watched a patient die. Another patient die.
God.
Now look at some of these patients, what we're putting them through. You know, they're like my cancer patients. You do everything you can to try and help them, no matter the odds, no matter. But sometimes there is nothing else to do for them except to make them comfortable.
I agree. You should talk to Dr. Cook about that.
해가 중천에 뜨고 나서야 시에서 보낸 구조대가 도착하는데
We'll have rescue boats here soon. Everybody needs to be out. And the building empty by 5 p.m.
How are we supposed to get everybody out in 5 hours?
5 o'clock. I mean, if you have the boats, we have people who
The
can't
city's
move.
out of control.
They can't walk.
5 p.m. the last boat leaves. Everybody is to be out of the building if we have to drag them out. We can't possibly get everybody out in 5 hours.
No living patient will be left behind.
We have been ordered to evacuate the hospital by 5 o'clock.
It's never gonna happen.
If you haven't spoken with Dr. Cook yet, now's the time.
모두가 탈출하는 건 불가능했고
I wasn't trying to listen in on what they were saying, but It's not like they were being real quiet.
What were they saying?
Okay, this is between me, you, and the fence post, okay? You and Cook and Anna Poe. They were talking about ending patient suffering. They were talking about how we're not going to get everybody out of here.
곧이어 시에서 보낸 보트가 도착합니다.
Start getting them ready. All right.
Sandra's gonna get you to the family. All right? I'm right behind you.
Minnie, we gotta go.
Here. Oh, you can't bring the pen on.
It's okay. They can take them.
Hey, you okay?
I got you.
Horace, I think that you should evacuate with the next group.
Susan, I can't evacuate. I'm a doctor. Come on, I'm a
Horace,
doctor.
there is nothing else any of us can do. It's time to go.
Dr. King, would you like to join us in a prayer?
I have people I have to take care of. Dr. Baltz?
의사들도 병원을 떠나기 시작하고
Let's go, everybody downstairs. Stairs, everybody, let's go right now.
시에서 나온 사람들은 보호자들을 강제로 내보내는데
Look, you can either leave on your own or you'll be charged with trespassing.
Let me stay alive, please, please, please.
They're making me leave the hospital, so I can't stay with you. It's okay for you to go and be with Jesus. You're going home.
How's it going?
These aren't Coast Guard copters. They can't fly at night. As soon as it gets dark, we have to cut it off. They've got an hour.
1시간 안에 중환자들을 옮기는 건 불가능했고
They can't do this. Do what? They're our patients.
I don't think our patients are going to be evacuated.
Oh, no, I mean, this is bullshit. We've been with these patients for 5 days. Were we supposed to just leave them?
What's going to happen? We can't stop from happening. Get the staff. Get them off the floor.
무거운 마음으로 상황을 알리는 다이앤.
The staff is being told to evacuate the hospital. And they're making us leave.
You said you wasn't gonna leave me.
There are going to be doctors here from Memorial. They're going to take care of you. Stay with you.
But they still gonna get me out of here, right?
They're going to stay with you.
If it come to it, my wife's name is Carrie.
I know.
Just tell her whatever. Just look to the future. Just move on forward.
I'm sorry. I have to go back. I need to go back.
발걸음이 떨어지지 않았지만
We're keeping track of the patients.
No, I work at Life Care.
You need to go. Now.
Everybody's off the floor.
We need to go.
할 수 있는 일은 없었습니다.
Anna, can you lend a hand?
I have to go back up to 7. We're gonna do everything we can to make them comfortable.
Everybody, listen up. We are getting all of these patients out of here, and we're going to get it done. I need help. Hey, Rodney, you ready to go?
Yeah.
We're getting you out of here.
마지막까지 포기하지 않았던 의료진들은 불가능할 거라 생각했던 일을 시도하는데
Rodney, you did great. We're gonna drive you up to the roof, all right?
All right, get him to the roof.
Take it easy, y'all. Come on.
So now we got to step. Another step. Come on. Okay, one more step. Push. You got this.
그는 모두의 노력 덕분에 살아나갈 수 있었지만
Let's go. Anybody left? Be on their own.
도움의 손길은 끝나버리고 나머지 환자들은 어둠 속에 남겨집니다.
We are still just beginning to learn the extent of the death and the damage in the worst natural disaster in U.S. history.
Final death toll may not be known for days, but it could be in the thousands.
They don't know if they're alive or dead.
Oh, I think there'll be plenty of time to analyze, particularly the structure. Take a sober look at the decision-making that went on. No, thank you.
대대적인 조사가 시작되고
For the 2 weeks since the storm, all that's been on television are endless stories, horror stories, about abuses that took place under the color of authority.
Now, I'm interested in looking into what happened.
In particular, I want to take a look at what happened at Memorial Medical Center. 45 dead patients. Now, does that make any sense to you?
진상을 파악하던 공공의료 조사관은 미심쩍은 내용을 확인하는데요.
The life care patients, right, were administered morphine by the physician, Dr. Anna Poe, whom we believe is not an employee of life care, at a time when it appeared the patients could not be successfully evacuated.
So they're suggesting that some of their patients' lives may have been ended? Who's this Dr. Poe?
Given that Memorial's not going to be reopening anytime soon, we would love it if you would consider joining us at LSU.
Yes, I want to get back to work.
애나가 스카웃을 받던 그 시각 테니스로 불려간 간호사들.
Only speak in general terms, never give an opinion. The loved ones are usually angry, and that's not surprising.
No one from Tenet has spoken to any of the family members?
They may have tried to call in, but no one said the information to give them yet, no.
그들은 환자 가족들에게 직접 사망 소식을 알려야 했습니다.
Finally, I've been trying to reach anyone.
I'm so sorry this took 2 weeks.
Your loved one was cared for throughout. Your loved one was identified and shrouded and placed in our chapel area.
Why wasn't she evacuated ahead of the storm?
That was based on the risk to the patient.
A cause of death will be identified and a death certificate will be made available.
I am very sorry.
We all did everything we could within our power to give the best treatment to the patients in the hospital.
Yeah, she comes across very well.
Didn't she seem a little unemotional just a few days after all those deaths?
아서와 버지니아는 현장으로 향하는데
Pictures, they don't really do it justice, do they?
It's like getting hit by a truck. You think you know what it's like, but you can't really know unless you get hit by the truck. Yeah, we're investigators with the State Attorney General's office. We need to take a look around inside.
That's not gonna happen. Without a hazmat suit and a warrant, you're not going inside.
Did you hear that the state's investigating Memorial?
CNN just called me. They're preparing a report on possible euthanasia at the hospital.
I'm not sure what I should do here.
I'll have someone from Tenet give you a call.
테닛의 변호사에게 상황을 설명하지만
I can't give you any advice on your representation.
Excuse me?
I work for Tenet, not for any of the individual doctors. In fact, I'd strongly advise you to get your own attorney.
모든 책임은 애나가 짊어지게 돼버렸죠.
Everything you say and do is going to be observed and picked over. You can't be talking to anybody about what went on. What you and I talk about is going to just be between you and me.
I didn't do anything wrong.
No, listen, your reputation is impeccable. Leave that to me.
Wake up, Allison. Wake up. Hey, how are you doing? It's good news. We've got all of it out.
그녀가 계속 환자들을 돌보는 동안
That man loved life. He had a passion for life. He loved to laugh. He loved people.
Man, I'm sorry you lost him.
I didn't lose him. He was taken from me. My Emmett. He was a fighter. And for him to have died of his own accord? That don't make no sense.
유가족들 편에 서서 사람들의 증언을 듣는 아서와 버지니아.
I was called up to a meeting at Life Care.
We're getting all the patients out that we can.
I remember we had a meeting with Susan Mulderick, and she was saying she didn't think that the life care patients were going to make it.
Do you know why?
They didn't want to leave patients alone and behind to suffer in a deserted hospital, maybe for days, before they died.
So that morning, what'd you do?
They looked bad. Some were unconscious, and others were frothing at the mouth.
There was no food,
no fresh water.
One? Can anybody take one?
I was helping one of my patient's daughters.
You need to survive for her.
That's when Dr. Poe came over.
These patients, they're probably not going to survive. The decision's been made to administer lethal doses.
What about Emmett Everett? He's awake. He's alert.
I'm not familiar with all your patients. That's Dr. Poe.
So I went over and I talked to Dr. Poe.
He's paralyzed. Weighs, what, 380 pounds?
About?
I didn't realize any of the patients were aware.
Yes.
How many people do you think it would take to move him?
I don't know. I have no idea.
You'd have to go down the stairs. That's 7 flights in the dark. Across the hospital, through the hole in the machine room.
I'm sure there's a way to do it.
It has been a struggle with people far easier to manage.
We went to Emmett Everett's room because that's where Dr. Poe was.
There's no way we can get him out.
Did you see her do anything to any of your patients? When I was leaving, I saw her walking down the hall. Did you see her administer drugs to any of the patients?
We left.
Mr. Nakamaru, as the pharmacist on that last day, did Dr. Poe tell you what the plan was going to be?
That's my recollection. I saw them draw up the drugs into syringes, but I didn't see them actually inject the patients, no.
Did you see anything else?
Afterwards, she had put the syringes in a clear plastic waste bag. In my opinion, there's no other conclusion you could draw. Those patients were murdered.
애나의 결정에 대한 증언들이 이어지고
I knew the total number dead in the hospital at that point. So when I learned that 45 bodies were recovered in total, I was like, there's no way that many people died in the time frame between the time I left and the following day. I knew something was happening.
They were talking about how we're not going to get everybody out of here. You and Cook and Anna Poe, they were talking about ending patient suffering.
So you knew what she meant, but you didn't question it.
I was one of the only black doctors in that hospital. I was only recently hired. I saw this on the ER ramp when I tried to help them.
We ain't got no room for these people.
When I saw what was happening, I was like, man, there's only so much I could do or say. My last day on the second floor, this guy comes up to me.
Would you like to join us in a prayer?
A prayer. And then I see Anna Poe. She was holding a handful of 10cc syringes with the pink needle.
Did you see Dr. Poe inject any of the patients?
No. They're saying things they shouldn't even be thinking. I said to myself, this is not a normal situation. I probably shouldn't be here.
You're going to abandon us?
Do you know what's going on here? They're the ones with the guns. They're the ones with the power.
So that's when you left?
I got on a boat.
Have you talked to anybody else about any of this?
Now, as the water and the mud recede, secrets are coming to light.
There's something happened that shouldn't have happened.
I don't believe this. I sympathize with his concern.
Who King alleges held the syringes, spoke by phone with the media on several occasions and emphasized that everyone inside the hospital felt abandoned.
We would like you to consider taking a pause from performing surgery.
You want me to stop performing surgery?
We are just asking that you consider it.
사람들의 따가운 시선을 받으며 막다른 곳으로 내몰린 애나.
Well, unfortunately, the internal chatter is that the Attorney General's office is focusing their investigation on you.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
We're going to rally every medical professional in this city behind you. Otherwise, next time there's a hurricane, there won't be a single doctor in this city practicing medicine. The public needs to know that.
논란이 계속되면서 현장에 있었던 사람들도 의견이 분분했는데요.
If you were given choice between comforting a patient, possibly quickening his death, or abandoning patients to suffer a slow, agonizing death, which would you choose to do?
I don't believe that was the choice.
It isn't? Where was the checklist, the emergency protocols? Did anybody ever define this criteria by which we were supposed to be operating?
I want to know, why did it take so long for someone to come help us, to get those patients out? That's why we lost so many patients. Where was the government? Where was our help?
If you want, we can take a break.
Take a break? From this? This is nothing. How dare you come here from a place of comfort and try to decide what was right and what was wrong? What you're doing is not fair. You leave the people that stayed and worked through the storm, you leave them alone. Heroes.
True heroism would have been to remember why we're doctors. And no matter how bad the circumstances are, to adhere to our oath, do no harm. But in all that chaos, people just cast off who they were. And this blindness just swept in and took over everything. I mean, it took over everything.
두 사람은 수개월간 조사를 이어갔고
All right, everybody, fan out and document whatever you see.
Thought there wasn't any food or water.
Yeah, except for these cases of water stacked all the way to the ceiling.
Three prescriptions for morphine, all signed by Anna Poe.
Someone found this on 7.
It's exactly what Nakamura described.
11개월이 지난 어느 날 애나는 2급 살인 혐의로 체포됩니다.
I just spent all day in surgery. Can I at least change my clothes?
Sure.
You have to stand right here. Can't you just wait outside?
No, ma'am, I can't.
Dr. Anna Poe and 2 nurses, Sherry Landry and Laurie Budo, have been arrested on 4 charges of principal to second-degree murder. Medical professionals perhaps thought maybe they were God. They were entrusted with looking after the safety of people who needed help. This is not euthanasia. This is plain and simple homicide.
A doctor and 2 nurses are charged with murder.
Facing charges that they murdered 4 patients at Memorial Hospital in New Orleans.
Alice Hutzler, 90-year-old life care patient being treated for pneumonia.
My analysis, Michael, let me know if you concur, is homicide.
I concur.
Rose Savoy.
Agreed.
Wilda McManus.
Homicide.
Emmett Everett.
This patient was apparently aware, conscious, and alert.
Homicide.
I concur.
기소 여부가 진행되는 동안 애나를 지지하는 의료인들이 늘어가고
I want to set up a legal defense fund for you.
Let's be pragmatic. You're going to need the money.
And people all want to help.
We're all here for you.
I contributed to your defense fund, and I'm praying for you.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm praying for me too.
한 달이 지나고
We have been asked to cease investigating.
Are you kidding me? We have 50,000 pages of documentary evidence.
Well, they requested a summary, and then we dropped the 50,000 pages on his ass.
Mrs. Everett, was your husband near death when the hurricane hit?
No. Well, this ain't bad. The lawsuits against Tenant Memorial are getting publicity, too.
Family members are giving interviews and filing lawsuits. It's creating a narrative for us that's less than ideal. We gotta find a way to counter it.
Like what?
I want you to go on 60 Minutes. It's an opportunity for you to tell your story in your own words.
방송 출연을 결심한 애나.
And I want everybody to know that I am not a murderer because my entire life I have tried to do good.
She's
and my entire
very
adult
compelling.
life, people were dying from the horrible conditions because they were not strong enough to tolerate them.
Jesus.
I don't think anyone gave up hope. I do not believe in euthanasia. I don't think that it's anyone's decision to make when a patient dies. However, what I do believe in is comfort care. And that means that we ensure that they do not suffer pain.
I may not be able to continue to do the thing that I love the most, where I know I can do a lot of good.
It's just phenomenally painful to me.
성공적인 인터뷰로 그녀를 향한 동정 여론이 거세지는데
A TV show is not going to decide this.
You don't think it matters. People in the city, they're going to want to know, why should Anna Poe, a heroic doctor, go to jail? Why should she be the one person to take the blame for everything that went wrong? You know who didn't get arrested? Nobody from any corporate entity. Nobody from Tenet. Nobody from Life Care. And what about the government officials? Why wasn't Governor Blanco arrested or Mayor Nagin? They were the leaders. They were the goddamn people in charge. That's what we have to overcome.
The president promised the biggest rebuilding program in history, but come to the very poorest neighborhoods, and there is no evidence of government help whatsoever. The 9th Ward, like the other poor, mainly black areas of this city, are being left to quite literally rot.
It's very unfair.
I don't know how long I could do this. I might have to pack it up and move away.
시간은 흘러 도시는 다시 예전의 모습을 찾아갔고
Ladies and gentlemen, you have been selected as members of the Special Grand Jury for Orleans Parish. And you will hear evidence, and you will be guided in your decision-making by the District Attorney's Office. This is not a trial. He will also keep secret all of what goes on in here. Your service has commenced.
애나의 운명은 이제 그들 손에 맡겨지는데
You've been asked to consider a 10-count bill of indictment, 1 count of second-degree murder and 9 counts of conspiracy to commit second-degree murder. What say you? In each of these 10 counts, it is noted, not a true bill of indictment.
애나는 혼자 짊어졌던 무거운 책임을 내려놓을 수 있었죠.
Do you think it's fair to judge Dr. Paul on the decision she made given the incredibly horrific conditions that existed?
I refuse to accept that the conditions were any excuse for the taking of a human life. What is the value of a human life?
In that hospital, it wasn't a damn battlefield with mortar shells coming in. It was a shelter. If you're a doctor, you get to just decide who lives and who dies. How do you ignore the fact that other people were evacuating people at the same time that you were giving comfort? These poor folks, they had no idea what was happening to them. I mean, it's really...
Thank you. Thank you all very much. You know, none of us here in this room will ever forget what happened during Katrina. We did not get the type of support that we needed to evacuate patients. I should note something that I didn't know. Coast Guard helicopters can't fly at night. By local, state, and federal governments that totally failed us. We were abandoned. I know in my heart that every single one of us in that hospital did everything we could to comfort and to care. I do not look upon my circumstances with bitterness. I wouldn't be here without all of you. You know, the courage and the strength that you have given me are truly a gift from God. Thank you very much. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
그녀의 연설을 듣고 어두운 표정의 발치 박사.
Anna, FEMA didn't take away the airboats. And you do know that the Coast Guard helicopters did fly at night.
They didn't fly at night.
I was at Memorial too. Just because you remember things one way doesn't make them true.
언제 구조될지 모르는 극한의 상황에서 애나가 내린 결정이 최선이었는지 아니면 최악이었는지 누구도 예상하지 못했던 재난은 모두에게 끔찍한 기억과 상처를 남겼습니다. 재난 대비에 허술했던 국가 시스템과 부실한 대처가 여실히 드러난 당시 상황을 생생하게 재현하며 묵직한 몰입감이 느껴지는 드라마였는데요. 무거운 주제에 대해 다양한 시각에서 생각해 볼 수 있었던 실화 바탕 드라마 재난 그 이유는 애플 TV에서 보실 수 있습니다. 시청해 주셔서 감사합니다. 구독과 좋아요, 알림 설정 꼭 부탁드리겠습니다.